Pay attention to the block. They just did the plan. You do 30? No, go sit those.
This was been there for 889 days.
Man, listen, dog. We about to see why.
We about to see why.
That long.
Alright, especially in 224.
Oh my God. Got a screw in it. Why ain't you say that? You got a screwdriver?
Maybe.
Yeah. Right.
There was a smell coming up out of here. Ooh, I can see the mold on the wall. Ooh, stinks. Right here, buddy.
Mm-hmm. This is horrible. Yeah, I don't even need to see the rest. It's horrible.
You didn't even go in there.
I did go in there.
You didn't go upstairs.
I don't need to. I don't like it.
You know, got missing stuff around.
Stinks in here. Smell like gas.
No, I just talking to him, sneak me a liver.
Oh, you got options.
Because liver is closer to me right now.
Okay. You got options, huh? See, yeah, it's the addition back there. And it don't even look like it's a well done addition. It's falling apart in here too.
Don't look bad on the inside though.
Yeah, but it's leaning.
But maybe you can do something with it if it ain't part of the basement.
No, it ain't. The basement stop right here for sure. But the wall, whoever did this this looks weird. So the wall ain't even, see how that?
This is a panel.
Oh, that's weird paneling.
You don't see the paneling strips?
Yeah, I see it now. The Luan, that's what that
They
is.
hiding something.
Probably so. Probably hiding that water coming down. Word, let me just go in the basement first.
Another thing you can do too, with a bit in the wall in the basement. We ain't gotta put a drywall, we can put up paneling. Oh shit, you can attach it to the goddamn 2x4.
You know, just I got it taken care of. We gonna say, what kind of paint job is this?
That's why I'm looking at what kind of bricks are these?
So the wall, where the front of the house? Damn, which way we come down? I'm bugging. Okay, yeah, so this the back wall. Yeah. This is where the addition would be on the other side of this. So it's straight. Look like they just did the plumbing. Brand new. They already painted the ceilings black. They did a bad job though.
So you want a Dakota to do the there ain't enough snow melted over there to really look over there on Hemdale yet.
Nah.
You want a Dakota to do
Yeah.
the window?
Yeah. About a foot. I don't know how far down yours went. He went with yours. See, they got a furnace but no water tank.
The thing with that is, it meets the even standards, but not box. Not quite.
Man, well, we gonna get it together.
In total square footage, it just does. But I think it's like 20 by 24. I think that's like 19.
Well, I'm gonna get a 20 by 24 then.
Huh?
I'm gonna have to get a 20 by 24. The type of window you use don't matter.
You can put a hopper window down like that too. Then.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Ooh, I need a bunk bed. I just ordered one.
That's a good one.
A very good one.
Take it down.
Hell yeah. Go ahead, get your screwdriver. Alright. So what you think of the house? Other than that addition.
I like the house, I like the block.
I ain't even really pay attention to the block. I ain't check out the bathroom. Bathroom, same stuff, same tile except for the floor. They did something. Kitchen, little as hell. Had to tear down a wall somewhere. Get rid of this stupid looking arch or diamond. Yeah. Got a fireplace. Right? They can't get in. Is that the key? You open the door. I think you did. Yeah, you open the door. All right, let me close this. They got brickwork needed everywhere though. Right here too. Good Lord, it's a huge house. Man. Garage is up and standing. Let's see. Yeah, this is a big boy. Probably could turn this into a 5-bedroom. It's a big house, bro.
I know, but he did a lot of work.
Huh? What's
He did a
up?
lot of work.
Who did? Oh, yeah, he did work. It's a nice fireplace.
Well, he's done a lot of work so far. He said he didn't have vandalism problem.
I bet. In the trenches.
Mm-hmm. Well, we was just right down the street.
Yeah, but you know, he had the proper stuff to deter people from vandalizing.
Mm-hmm.
I like these colors.
You like the colors?
Yeah. I like the wall color.
They trashed them?
Yeah, none of the lights work. Let me turn my night mode on. So it's only it's a 3 or 4 bedroom. Who's calling me? Hello? Yeah, I got new tires on. Yeah. Yeah. I would assume, I'm not sure, I could ask him. I just left him over there. He got a new truck though, so I doubt if he needs tires. Nice.
The inspector lady came here and said there was some cracks. She seen some foundation issues, but I don't know.
Yeah, you got a bearing on. Yeah. Hold on, you say where the cracks at?
I don't know. Maybe I don't know. That's just what she said.
Why did he have one?
Huh?
What kind of inspector? Like a
I
city?
don't know. She's just some lady that was coming to see the house for somebody else. And she said she was like a home inspector.
Let me go see if all right. I like this color though. I might steal that. Let me see the You been in the basement? Come on. Damn, bust the windows out. Ugh. see no foundation problems. Yeah, I don't see no foundation problems. Ain't even no water in here. And the snow is melting right now. Need a furnace, but at least they got the plenum. That's good. I don't need no duct work. It's brand new duct work. Man, nice. Okay, what about in here? And here we straight to. What's that? Oh, okay. Man, this house straight. So how much is this one?
What kind? I think he's listening for 44. But
Cool.
trying to see what kind of offer we would be potentially making.
You do 30?
I think it'll be too tight for long.
It's 48205, brother.
It'll be fast.
It'll be right
fast
now.
as you can do it.
We can go to the car.
We can go to the car. We can take it to the title company as soon as you can get it in there.
No, don't sit.
I see it.
I was about to laugh at you.
I was about to laugh. What do you think about these floors? We have to bust these
Oh,
floors.
we got the tile in. I didn't
He
even
said
realize.
it's brand new.
The tile?
He said he just did this.
Who, you did it yourself?
No, his guys.
You should fire them. That too. Yeah, this tile is horrible. I did better than this on my own house. They ain't it's not even like, you must pay.
They just, why would they use 12 by 12?
Man, you
That's
must-
crazy in this day and time.
You must pay the crackhead. Tell the truth. I ain't gonna tell nobody.
Yeah, look over there.
Tell
Look over, get that on video. Look over there. What's going on in this house?
Man.
What is that?
There's somebody that came up in here and set up shop. You say you can't do the 30?
I have to think about it because I already put in like 63 on the house. So I don't know how much loss I can take.
We're ready to close till tomorrow. We can do the
But back to your question. Man, I don't know about this.
You know?
The tile throughout the whole house? Because it's
I
for one,
bust
the
it
tile is ugly. Yeah, you're gonna have to bust it up.
That's what I'm saying. He showed me pictures of how it looked before.
It's hardwood.
He said some of it was
It
messed
was
up.
hardwood, but I don't remember. Maybe it's not a perfect. Maybe some imperfections or something.
So what is this?
It was broken in a couple of times. So I'm assuming somebody would have tried to make this a bed. I don't know.
Are you serious? Just get an alarm.
Yeah, we just
It's
discussed.
$30 a month, and you get cameras. You can see inside. I can show you every house right now.
So which alarm system do you guys use?
Come on, man. I gotta charge you for that information. No, I'm just talking shit. Simply safe. Hold on. I'm gonna show you. I got them on every
you don't
house.
need an internet connection for it?
Who? Oh yeah, you got internet too. So that'll be another 50. So you'll be paying like $80 a month, but you won't be getting your broken into.
Well, it can still get broken into.
Well, yeah, but you'll know.
It's just you'll know.
Like they won't steal the hot water tank. 'Cause it looked like that was.
They'll call you and ask you, do you want them to send the police? Or you can come over here and scare them off? Or
Yep, we're gonna do all that.
Or they'll send the police.
You can see that's one of the houses right there.
Okay. So what camera?
Somebody in there?
Jerry over there.
Oh, okay.
You don't say somebody in here.
So rehab estimate. So the cost of rehab is.
It just depends on what we do with it. It just depends, like, you know, we would have to,
See, I would redo these
try to
floors.
do it as
Well,
cheap as possible
I'll
because
keep the floors probably.
we would have to do it as cheap as possible. We have to at least, I don't know.
Have you ever put it on the market?
Not yet. I thought I'll.
What?
Did you have to show a room or something?
Oh yeah. They said they get back with you.
All right, it's cold. Woo! Yeah, this block's up.
Are y'all together?
Yeah. You the wholesaler?
No. He's looking at it too.
Oh,
He's talking to the same lady I'm talking to.
Oh, he be flipping?
Uh,
No. Trying to flip.
We need another roof though.
Yes. like it's lean dipping over there.
This is weird.
It's definitely dipping. What? So I guess it used to be I don't know what that is. They did some old
I
makeshift
don't know
stuff.
what to do with that.
Turned it into I don't know either. Turn it into a window. Be a real nice picture window. I don't know, bro. Got the classic record player.
Probably open this up a little bit.
Yeah, open that all the way up. For sure.
All the way to it, just like a little
Just
bit.
got all this stucco and this texture stuff gotta get scraped. That costs more money.
They gotta get down in there.
It's all the walls texture?
No, the ceiling.
Oh no, the ceiling
this
is
one.
the ceiling ain't. I'm just saying it's all
This
the
is
walls.
this is
This kitchen,
look at
this
this
is
bathroom. That's crazy.
What?
What's a half bath though?
It's
It's
just
a closet bathroom.
it's just a toilet. Cause imagine if the sink was there.
But you gotta put a sink there.
So I know. I'm just saying.
gonna take
Once
us
the,
half the
yeah, once the sink there, then you gotta ease through that bad boy. You gotta do one of these numbers. Damn. Or you can just it's a bedroom. Cut it off, open it up, make it part of the bedroom, nigga. Master boy. Cause it's a door here for it already.
Got the vision for those. But all the time you gonna eliminate the sink though.
Huh? I'm saying, listen to me, bro. Close this, make this a wall, and just open it up over here, and it'll be a.
I hear what you're saying.
Oh, okay, as long as you hear me. The kitchen cabinet's already here. No, these old. Well, no, these ain't old. They just look old.
We'll probably take these.
Hold them up. Come on. I got my gloves in the bag. He gave my money back though. Well, no, actually he didn't. He didn't give me the money. He gave me like a discount on the butcher block because of the one of them cabinets he gave me was like trash.
This is leaning, but I mean,
It's definitely lean. Definitely, man. I remember these, my dog. I used to bust my foot on these so many times.
that was fucking good.
Man, big gashes. It look like they tried to finish this. I like that. Oh, they did finish it. It's a bad job. Man, they niggas, oh my goodness. They had the kids sleeping in here. I said they had the kids sleeping in here.
Really?
Hell yeah. Go in there and look. CPS case.
You seen something there recently?
That's like a nice little clubhouse though.
Nigga. I hope not. It's
If it
cold.
wasn't cold,
Is it a furnace? We ain't going to the basement yet.
Vape right there.
What's there?
vape. Yeah, so somebody had to be in here not too long ago.
She probably was in here.
She probably didn't. Oh, an axe.
That nigga got his protection, everything. Got the light, got his clothes folded.
My uncle's really helping me, so
I mean, like, reason why I say that because like a lot of times you buy those kind of houses, you be responsible for like getting it up to code, and then they want to do inspections on it before they take the lien off.
I ain't let y'all niggas go first. No, I don't like steps no more.
I got it for 4,200.
This basement is horrible. Bulging wall over here. Bulging wall over here.
I see that one.
Bulging wall over there. That mother like somebody kicked it. Bulging wall right here.
Well, there goes that good house.
Let me turn the light
I
on.
took you out the door.
Well, now you know why it's leaning though. Cause this
Ooh, this is horrible over here.
that's where where we come down up. So it was leaning on that side of the house, but that wall bulging too. Every last wall is caving in.
There go the deal.
Yeah, this one's horrible. Look at that angle. Almost, it's looking like an arrow. Yeah, this is a no go. And they want 40?
She already go though.
Huh?
She wash her them out, bro. She got a steak water them. Oh, she got a 727 number.
727?
I don't know what steak that
I
is.
think she works. Oh,
That's
maybe.
a Google number.